Hi guys, welcome back
to my channel. We are doing the 100 chicken nugget challenge today, and we're challenging ourselves.
Yeah, so we're actually gonna go out right now. We're gonna go buy, or actually pay the bill first for PUD, and then we're actually gonna go down to McDonald's and get ourselves 100 chicken nuggets.
And then we have
we have Omar back again, so he's gonna be in this challenge. So let's see how that goes.
And we'll see you guys at McDonald's.
So we'll see you at McDonald's. Alright guys, so we're on our way to McDonald's. Well, first we have to go stop by and pay the light, our PUD bill. And then we're gonna go buy chicken nuggets because today we're doing
the 100
chicken nugget challenge. I didn't eat all day.
This dumbass right here is just gonna win.
Yeah,
I am gonna fucking win.
He didn't eat all day just to do this thing, so that's what we're gonna do today. So first, we're not gonna actually take you guys with us at the PUD, but we will see you guys when we get down to McDonald's, so you can see how we order and the reaction and see what they say and whatnot. So we'll see you guys at McDonald's. Alright guys, so we're here at McDonald's, about to pull up in the drive-thru.
Pull up skirt.
Let's see what they tell us.
About ordering 100 chicken nuggets.
Oh my god, I've never done this, guys.
I don't mean.
Wait, I want to say.
I think the most I've ever ordered was like maybe 10 McChickens.
The most I've ordered was 15 cheeseburgers. Don't judge me, I'm fat.
Anyways, I hope your guys' day is going well. It's cold here, it's windy, it's cloudy. Hopefully it starts to warm up pretty soon because I'm ready for summer. I don't know about you guys, but I want it to warm up already.
I just want to go to Mexico because it's gonna be hot.
Oh yeah.
I just want to go Chilan. I want to ride Jazz Kiko like skirt. Yeah, I'm because that light shorter. Look.
Like your dick.
Whoa.
DMs
Pito's actually going to order the chicken nuggets.
Wait,
you can order them.
Should I go on the other side?
Yeah, and I'll just roll down your window. If you guys can see the weather, it's ugly out here. Super ugly. On his rear mirror.
We're vlogging. Subscribe to my channel.
Alright guys.
Hi, may I take your order?
Hi, can I get 100 chicken nuggets?
I'm sorry, how many?
100?
100 nuggets?
Yeah.
Any sauce?
Barbecue?
Barbecue?
Yeah. Ranch. And ranch.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
That'll be $26.31 at the person. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whoo, we got it, guys.
It's only $26.
Yeah.
It seems odd.
What the fuck?
It's like $5 and something cents for a 10-piece. Alright guys, we're gonna pay.
You got the nuggets, right?
Yeah.
$26.31.
Yeah. So we're doing that YouTube challenge. So
Oh, you guys are?
yeah. So we're
That's
just gonna see
cool.
how that goes.
Wait, what's the 100?
The 100 chicken nugget. Yep. Yeah.
Wish you luck then. Wait, so what do you do to get it right?
So basically we just eat 100 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes.
You just eat the 100
Yeah,
nuggets?
without water or anything, just the sauces and whatnot. So.
Alright, I'll believe in you.
Yeah, you better subscribe, look it up on YouTube. You'll find us on there.
If I find you guys like when I see that you guys do it,
Definitely.
I'll literally give you your next order free.
Oh, wow. Okay, guys, did you hear that? Next order is free if we can do 100 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes.
I bet.
Yes.
McDonald's is the
Bet.
plug. Yeah, we're at McDonald's. Look it through.
369 is your change. Wait, what's your YouTube? I need to find it.
Okay, so it's under Giselle Mendez.
Giselle Mendez.
I know she is, bro.
Order with the 100 nuggets?
Yes.
I have a legitimate question.
Yeah.
You order 100 nuggets and
Yeah.
you don't order one Szechuan sauce?
No.
You don't want to try the new sauce?
What's the new sauce?
It's like kind of like take soy sauce and teriyaki and mix it. It's real good.
Damn.
Here's this. We're still waiting on the rest of your nuggets.
Okay.
We ordered an obsessive amount, but it'll be 1 second.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Cleaning or inspection
Here
or
you
something.
go, and I promise the sauce won't let you down.
Okay.
You guys have a great day.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Come
you.
again.
All right, Omar. There has to be 10 boxes in there.
All right, here's the barbecue sauce.
Okay, here are all of our sauces, guys.
Here's the sauce.
Here are our,
There's another more right here.
another more sauce. They hooked it up, guys.
All right, here's one.
1,
Two.
2, 3. I like how we're all counting together.
5, 6. There's only 6, motherfuckers.
Did they put 20 in each though?
All right, so we're gonna go back inside. We ordered 100 chicken nuggets. They didn't give us 100 chicken nuggets. Hi. So they made us stop recording, but fuck them.
No.
How much is in there? 60,
60.
and then 40 in here.
You need to count them right now.
I know, we're gonna count these sons of bitches because they already fucking ripped us off once. So, you know, fuck McDonald's. McDonald's was being big.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, we just got home and we have the 100 chicken nuggets, and we're gonna actually time ourselves instead of just like eating as many as we can. So
Yeah.
we're doing 10 minutes. See how many we can eat in 10 minutes.
So as you guys saw in the clip when we went to buy them, the girl, I don't know if she's a manager or something, but she said that if we can do these 10 or 100 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes, our next meal will be free.
Yeah.
So shout out to her and that guy who suggested this new sauce, guys. You want to try it? We're gonna try it. Something about teriyaki and
Yeah,
soy sauce. It's
Chuan sauce.
something like that. Anyway,
Yeah.
we'll put it on there so you guys can
So
see.
shout out to you two, guy and girl.
So let's go ahead and
Alright, we're gonna put them in here.
so that's
No, really.
20, 30.
Alright.
All right, so yeah, show them the timer. Here's the timer, guys. 10 minutes. There it is.
10 minutes.
Alright.
So
You started.
ready, set, go. All right.
We should do a story time.
Fuck with your mouth full? What the fuck?
So I'm trying the new sauce first. Trying the new sauce.
Okay, wait.
I'm trying.
Really?
I strongly suggest it, guys. It's really good.
It's really good. It tastes
Homie, if you're watching this, good job. Get people out there to eat this.
Yeah.
Try Omar. It's really good.
It's really good, bro. Wait.
Yeah, try it.
Yo, this is hella good.
Oh, water.
Really good.
No, remember, no water.
Yeah?
You can.
Yeah?
You can.
It's just gonna kill time. We
Yeah.
got this.
It kills time and you get more fun really fast. Because you can go without eating, but you can't go without drinking water.
Remember, all chicken nuggets, we get a free meal.
Go.
By the way, we didn't eat all day
Yeah.
just to do this challenge.
I'm hungry.
So-
I didn't eat in the morning or anything, even at school. Because I showed up late at school today, but...
I ate a pear at work, so if that counts.
Not really.
That's just water.
It's like a snack kind
Midnight snack. Lauren, if you're watching this, we did a good job leaving them alone.
of.
I'm done with this.
Guys, I'm getting full.
I'm thirsty.
6 minutes and 58 seconds left.
No. Already?
We're eating too slow, guys.
Okay.
Holy shit.
It's more than halfway.
We can do this, guys.
There's 3 of us to do that. Oh shit.
I'm getting full.
I need water.
Hmm.
Oh, let me give me like 2 seconds real quick.
No. Alright. Come on. How can you feel so bad?
He's gonna be barfing after this. How much time? 3 minutes shit!
Bro, come on.
Come on, guys. Come on.
You're eating hella slow.
I'm full.
I'm stuffing like 5 in my face, bro. Holy shit.
Alright. You have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Time's running out.
I'm still chilling the 3 fucking chicken nuggets.
Oh my god.
No, we're not.
Guys, don't do this. Mm-mm.
Don't try this at home.
Don't,
Especially
really
sticking
don't.
5 chicken nuggets in my mouth at the same time. Don't do that.
Mm-mm.
It'll mess you up. 2
I'm
minutes.
not gonna eat for like tomorrow or anything.
2 minutes. I feel like if I drink water after this, I'm gonna want to throw up.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, get a free meal.
Come on, guys, we can do this. We can do this, Omar.
I just a fucking.
We have a little bit. Come on, Omar, come on.
It's like 5 chicken nuggets each. Mm.
7 chicken nuggets left.
We got 2 minutes left. No, like 1 minute. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on!
Imagine this by yourself. Holy shit. Fuck that.
Oh my god, no, we have 1 minute and 54 seconds.
Holy.
Omar, come on.
Mm.
Oh! Come on, let's have.
Done. Done. How much?
56
Ooh,
seconds.
58 seconds, guys. We did it. I feel sick to my stomach.
I'm sorry for all the cussing on the video, guys. That's my bad.
All right, guys. As you saw, we ate 100 chicken nuggets. Excuse me.
If we wouldn't have had Omar, we wouldn't have done it ourselves. Oh!
I'm telling you.
Whew. What were
Dude, I'm like full.
I'm gonna be sitting in the toilet for a while.
That was a challenge. We did it, guys. 100 chicken nuggets in less than 10 minutes. Spare 1 second. To the girl who gave us the chicken nuggets. We did it. Look, we ate 100 chicken nuggets.
Hi, Mom.
Mom, nos comimos 100 chicken nuggets en menos de 10 minutos.
Y yo me comí como 5 a la vez. Sin miel no se lo puede comer.
Nope.
Yeah.
Oh my god, no, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Mañana voy a comer chicken nuggets el resto de mi vida. Anyways, so comment, like, share, and subscribe. And go ahead. What is my mom doing? Mamá, ¿por qué tienes miedo a YouTube?
Her face. Anyways,
Okay.
well, one day we'll prank my mom again. Last prank was not as
One day.
successful.
For now, guys, that was our challenge. We did it. If you guys like this, go ahead and share, comment, like, subscribe. Pass this on to all your friends. Let them know. Damn in their Snapchat,
Oh my
I swear.
god,
Bro.
I swear.
Look what I posted on Snapchat. And like people are like over here replying to me like non-stop.
Well,
Don't add him. No.
Add me on Snapchat, guys.
No.
Yes.
No.
alright, guys. Well,
Alright, so
so shout out to the girl who gave us the chicken nuggets.
now you owe us a free meal, girl.
you owed us a free
saw-
meal.
You saw.
Shout out to the guy that gave us the sauce. Dude, you're awesome. I really recommend it.
Yeah.
I love the sauce. Not anytime soon, but when I
Dumb it.
what? It's good to go. When I do go, I will be getting that sauce. So good job on that. You know, you did great. I do recommend you talk to that employee who came off on them about recording. You know,
Yeah,
next
like-
time it would be great if they just simply ask.
She was, I don't know, she was just really rude.
Yeah,
And
you know, I understand maybe you don't want to be recorded, but you know,
you could do it in a
you
like,
could do it in a
polite
nicely way and say, hey, you know, can you please turn off that camera? We
Oh
want to
my, put your
expose
phone
her.
away.
We want to. You and your phone, I swear. I'm gonna disconnect you from my Wi-Fi after this. So that's it for now, guys. Oh my god, I feel so
I'm
sick.
still cold, man.
I think I took down the most chicken nuggets. That's safe to say. I'm
Okay.
a chicken nugget eating.
Comment down below who you think ate more chicken nuggets.
It's me, guys. It's me. It's me, by the
No.
way. Yes, it was.
No.
If you think it was me, then you gotta comment it. I'm sorry, you guys know.
Bye, guys. Bye.